So why Deakin? So the idea, well, their decisions you're going to have to make, and there's a great number of benefits of joining us at Deakin and enrolling in our programs. But we do focus very much on professional experiences right from the first year. We have a strong cohort of sessional staff who actually are currently working in industry, who you'll be working with, as well as permanent members of staff. You'll benefit from the strong links we have with industry, and with point 1 and point 2, that really does, I guess, manifest itself through our work industry-based learning program that we do have, and that is integral to the philosophy of what we do, that we very much are industry-related and professionally related set of programs. We're a 5-star rated university, and we also are, the Bachelor of Design course is actually an accredited course of the Design Institute of Australia. All 3 courses are. We also take part in exhibitions and showcase work throughout the industry, and throughout the duration of your course you'll have an opportunity to exhibit at various points if you desire. So now you'll probably notice that over the years the terminology has changed. We now refer to in our course as visual communication, but you'll also hear it referred to as communication design. Traditionally it was referred to as graphic design, and in fact many of the jobs that are advertised for communication designers or visual communicators are in the areas of user experience. So that's something to be aware of, that the industry is in a constant state of flux. But we very much encourage our students to think big, and design globally is leading the way in this approach to changing the way or improving the way we live. And we see that very much through the courses that we offer, and one of those is design thinking, and we've actually built our program on a foundation of design thinking. So first year, first trimester, you are going to learn about design thinking, and what that is a methodology for design process. It's something that designers have probably worked on for many, many years, but now design thinking has been embraced by business management companies all over the world, because it's actually using that process of trial and error and empathizing with all of the stakeholders. So design is now starting to move back at the start of the process, rather than coming in at the end to make something look good. So in 2018 we launched a suite of design courses that actually reflect that and respond to the rapidly changing creative industries. And our courses are future focused and adaptable to industry trends, and as I said before, are technology driven, because that really is the future of design. But we're looking for about 6 to 8 pieces of work, and people always ask, oh, what pieces should I put in? And you know, obviously if you made a decision of one of those courses streams, it would be good to reflect pieces that talk to that, but it's not essential. What we're trying to do is establish your creative ability. So just put in 6 to 8 pieces of your best work that you're proud of, work that you confidently can talk about, and work that expresses your creative ability. We think that if we find someone with creative ability, we can teach them the rest, the skills and the ability to adapt to the different streams. So don't feel as though because you want to do digital technology, and I haven't got any app design or I haven't got any of the augmented or virtual reality examples, don't worry about it. Just put in your best branding design, your best illustration, your best editorial layout, your best 3D sculpture. Whatever is your best creative piece, put those pieces in rather than, or it might be some photography or some painting. But don't put pieces in you're not happy with just for the sake of diversity. Just put in your best pieces. Okay, so that's the best advice I can give you. Then you can give, if you're looking to, another way that we get some insight into the way you're thinking is for you to describe why you want to study that particular or design. So talk about your ideas, your interests, your motivation, and your sources of inspiration. So it just gives us a bit of idea that you're serious about the decision you're making and that you're actually giving it some serious thought and that you genuinely think about the process and where you want to be and why you're doing it. So that's and for further information or to apply, you really just go to that website down there, which is deakin.edu.au/portfolio applications, and that will direct you to how to apply and give you any additional information that you require.